Are you planning on traveling to Banff National Park? Well then, you're going to want to join us as we uncover the best of Banff's treasures, an adventure of a lifetime in the heart of the Canadian Rockies. Set amidst breathtaking landscape, Lake Louise stands as a true gem of the Canadian Rockies. Known for its mesmerizing turquoise waters, the lake reflects the surrounding snow-capped peaks, creating a picture-perfect scene that seems almost unreal. Visitors are captivated by the beauty and tranquility that the lake offers, making it a must-see destination. Whether you want to explore the shoreline, take a leisurely canoe ride, or simply marvel at the stunning vistas, Lake Louise promises an unforgettable experience. Taking a short little hike around the lake, and I really can't even believe how beautiful this place is. It almost looks unreal. It's so picturesque. The Banff Gondola stands as a gateway to panoramic views of Banff National Park, offering a thrilling ride from the base of Sulphur Mountain to the summit. This scenic journey provides views of the surrounding Rocky Mountains and the charming town of Banff.
So I don't normally make the videos Carrie does, but only one of us can come up to the boardwalk from the top of the Banff Gondola, so we chose me, and this is the view we get. Worth every step.
The experience is complemented by the Sky Bistro, where guests can savor a meal and order a refreshing beverage. The Banff Gondola is not just a means of transportation, it's an adventure. This woman right here, conquered the gondola.
Yeah, I did.
A lot of amazing firsts for you this vacation, babe.
Stepping out of my comfort zone.
Yep.
Big time.
Next thing you know, we'll be skydiving.
Oh, no.
Hold on, where are we?
Moraine Lake.
That's right. Wow. Moraine Lake is a natural masterpiece. It is a place of unparalleled beauty and awe-inspiring scenery. The vibrant blue waters of the lake are framed by the dramatic backdrop of the Valley of the Ten Peaks, creating a postcard-perfect setting that captivates all who visit. Surrounded by lush forests and rugged mountain terrain, Moraine Lake invites exploration and discovery. Whether hiking along its shores, capturing the reflections in the crystal-clear water, or simply soaking in the scenery, every moment at Moraine Lake is a memorable one. Moraine Lake is really a fantastic lake. It's probably one of the most beautiful lakes that I've personally ever seen, even up here in the Canadian Rockies. It's absolutely gorgeous. That color is really what it looks like. Johnston Canyon is a natural wonder that beckons adventurers with its captivating beauty. The canyon is lined with dramatic waterfalls, sculpted limestone cliffs, and emerald pools. A network of well-maintained pathways and catwalks lead visitors through this geological masterpiece, providing an immersive experience among the soothing sounds of rushing water. The lower and upper falls are captivating sights along the journey. Johnston Canyon is pet-friendly, so feel free to bring along your furry friend. Located on the Icefields Parkway, the Athabasca Glacier is a majestic 6-kilometer-long ice field. Part of the Columbia Icefield, its ancient blue ice and crevasses captivate visitors. The glacier offers guided trekking adventures with breathtaking views. This natural wonder stands as a testament to the dynamic forces that are shaping our planet, highlighting the delicate balance between human exploration and environmental preservation. Fill it up. What you got? Let's take a sip.
Take a sip.
If you want to see more of what Banff has to offer, check out our RV in Canada playlist, and we hope to see you on the road.